Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And today's video, we are working on day 2 of September Build a Journal 2025. In today's video, we are going to be cutting our papers and decorating our cover. Now, in the last video, we gathered supplies. So you should already have what you need. You should already have your papers, your binder, because we're doing binder journals this year. You should just have what you need to do your project today. Now, I, in yesterday's video, made my own binder with this binder mechanism. This fabric from an old scrub top. I had to put the fabric on before I put the binders because of these metal pieces here. So I'm half decorated already. Also, here are all my pages. I spent an ungodly amount of time this morning cutting using this KS Craft A5 Torn Edge die that I've had in my stash for years. I only used the base pages, not anything else in here, just the main base page. Okay, so all my papers are cut and we're going to put them in. We're going to put them in and see if they fit or if I made a gigantic mistake. Oh, they fit. Wouldn't that have sucked if I made a gigantic mistake? Also, I counted my pages no less than 20 times. If I am short a page, it's because a page gremlin is coming down and stealing my pages because there's no way. Oh, I like that it peeks out. I really like that it peeks out. I didn't realize it would do that. I don't care that it does that. I like it. I thought when I measured it, see when it's closed, open. This is open. When it's open, it doesn't stick out. It's when you close it, it kind of pushes it. Because of the binder mechanism, it pushes it out. I don't mind. I don't mind it. So now we have to decorate our cover. I did say in the last video, I am using this printable from Junk Drawer Digitals off of Etsy, and there's this Happy Halloween. Now it won't fit going this way, but I think I'm going to put it this way. I would like to use it, so we're going to cut it out, and like I said, I would really like to use it. So we'll see. I printed all of mine. It says to print it on cardstock or heavy paper. I use 32 pound printer paper. I didn't want to use cardstock because let's face it, my journals are thick already. I don't need any more thickness in my journals. If you know me, then you know that's not an exaggeration, that my journals are always end up super thick and super big because I just can't help myself. So I wanted to not have bulk, but I also didn't want to just use regular printer paper, which is very thin. So I had 32 pounds, so that's what I used. I'm just going to fussy cut around here and figure out anything else that we might want on the cover. I'll look through to see what there is on the printables, but I didn't see anything yesterday. I just saw this. I don't really have any. I mean, I can look. I might have some Halloween stickers, but I just went through my stickers for the journal kit for last month. That sounded really weird to say because technically it's this month. Today is only August 5th. You guys know that I film ahead. That way, if anything ever happens. Also, you may be wondering, because I did have some videos last month that were filmed in May. If I have to film something like my mom asked me, she's out of birthday cards, so I have to make my mom more birthday cards. Well, I can't fit that in September. I have September all planned out. So I will do them this month in August and then fit them in wherever I can in the upcoming months, because September is already planned out with September Build-A-Journal. Does that make sense to you guys? I'm gonna cut that off. There we go. So sometimes you will see videos from months before because I had nowhere to put them or I forgot about them. That's also happened. It's just if you were wondering. Sometimes somebody has me make something, like I also am making a baby album. Well, I just made a baby album not too long ago. So I'm probably going to wait to post that baby album because I just made one not too long ago. This is not fun to fussy cut. And then I have to, what I'm going to have to do is once this is done, I had the start of hiccups coming on. Yeah, I got the hiccups. Once this is done, I have to Mod Podge it on. So I only put one coat of Mod Podge on yesterday when I put the cover down because I knew I would have to decorate the cover and I would want to put more coats of Mod Podge on over top of the cover, however I decorate. Okay. Hopefully this looks good on the cover, or I just wasted my time. And honestly, since this was my plan, I have nothing else planned. See, I was just going to do here on the edge, like so, because it doesn't go this way. It's too big to go that way. I could have printed it out and printed it out smaller, but once I put it on the side, I was like, I actually kind of like it on the side. You guys let me know down below. What do you think? I'm always open to your opinions on things that I do. I am so yep, and I also need some ideas, you guys. I'm dead for creativity. I have nothing. I started that baby album I was saying yesterday. Okay, I stopped because I have no idea what to do for the cover, and I thought I could get some kind of idea for the cover, and I have not. So yeah, so here I am the next day. It's on my floor staring at me, wondering why I haven't finished it yet, and I still have no clue what to do for the cover. My creativity has just gone in a slump, and I've cut out videos for you guys. I used to do what, 4 times a week, and now I'm down to 3 because I just ran out of new ideas. I mean, I know September Build-A-Journal isn't new, but I think you guys enjoy it. I enjoy doing it, and it's taking you step by step. It's really good for people who have never made a journal before. So yesterday, I wanted to go to Ollie's, and we were on our way to a store to pick up shirts for the boyfriend. And I said, oh, tomorrow I really want to go to Grocery Outlet and Ollie's. And he goes, well, why don't we just go today? I was like, okay, that's fine. So when we were done picking up these shirts that he wanted, we went to Ollie's and Grocery Outlet. Well, we were at Ollie's. It's too late for this now, you guys. They had a lot of, they had 7 pallets. The guy told me they got in of American craft stuff, paper, stickers, all kinds of stuff yesterday. Oh, I put it away. All right, so I think I want to put it about here? Or do I want to put it here? Oh, I think there. Let's try it down here again. We can do it that way, which looks dumb. We can do it this way, which looks dumb. You can do it in the middle like I originally, that's not the middle. Middle. But I still think I kind of like it here instead. Yeah, I like it over there instead. I'm going to glue it down with regular glue. Hopefully my glue bottle works. That was another issue I was having yesterday making that baby album, that my glue bottle was just clogged. I had to run it under water and everything. Okay, so I'm going to try, which I normally wouldn't do, but I'm going to do it today just to make sure we're as in the middle as we can be. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge on this. There we go. And then Halloween. And I wonder if there's anything else. I'll have to look. All right, so when it comes to decorating your cover, you guys, you decorate your cover how you want. So you're going to, today, or whenever you get to it for your next step, you are going to cut your papers, and since it's a binder, you're going to have to hole punch them to get them in your binder if you don't have a handy dandy die, which by the way, I wouldn't recommend this. This was the biggest pain in the butt. It took me forever, and also it was just small enough to fit on my plates, just small enough, but I still had to move it around because it wasn't cutting one of the edges right every time. So it took me double the amount of time than if I would have had longer plates. Let's see if there's anything else. I don't think there is, but we'll look. There's words, cards. We have some of this, these cut aparts. I can print these out multiple times. Let's see what else we have, because I think maybe the stars or one of the pumpkins. I think that's the only one that is these little cut aparts, I think. I think. Oh, there's some of the washi strips. So I can do I think I'm going to cut out, where's my smaller scissor? I think I'm going to cut out the washi and use the washi like I had to tape down the edge. And I think I'm going to use, of course, the top one. I'm going to be difficult and use the top one, because I think this would look best on the cover, because the cover is so busy. I think this one would look best. Okay, so we're going to cut this out. We're going to fussy cut around. Once again, since I bought the digitals, I can print these back out again if I want to use this somewhere else. That's the great part about buying digitals, is being able to use them in the way that you want, and you be able to print them out so many times. All right. Okay, so do I need another one too to go like down here? Or should I put it down there in the first place? Or is it a no? Put it up there, and then let's see. Let's cut this bottom one and see. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. This out of the way. We'll glue these on, and then I will Mod Podge off camera because I don't need to show you how to put glue on. You saw it yesterday. Okay. And this one. And I think that's it. I don't think there's much more I can do. It's such a busy fabric. There's not much more I can do. But there it is. I'm going to bring it up closer so you can see. I think it looks cute. All right. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoy. Oh, wait, hold on. Where's my... Hold on. Here we go. Our next video, we're going to be doing tags and pockets. Now, if you want to jump ahead, you go right ahead. However, look down to September 27th video. That is when we fill the journal. All of this stuff that you're doing, the 11th, the 13th, the 18th, the 20th, does not go in your journal. Okay? Put it aside. Do not put it in your journal if you want to jump ahead. Do not do that, because you're going to want to add trims to your journal before you add tags and pockets. That way, I'm going to show you. Okay, say I want to add this trim right here, and I want to add it on, I'm just picking a random page. I really have my heart set on putting it on this page because it's in, say, the middle of the book. So I want to put trim on the first page, the back page, and the middle page, okay? Say that's what my plan is. But unfortunately, I had already come in here and, hold on, I'm looking for something. But unfortunately for me, I had already come in here and put a pocket in. Well, now, I don't like this look for my trim. I would rather have this look for my trim. See what I mean? You don't want to put things in before you put your trim in. Now, if you don't want to do trim, you don't have to do trim. So if you don't want to do trim, then put it in to your little heart's content. But I still say you wait till the end, because you never know what is going to happen. Okay, maybe when you're going through, you decide, oh, well, I don't like these pages here, or I don't like that on here now, or, oh, this would have been better with a pocket. You never know, okay? So that's my only advice to you. So in our next video, we'll be doing tags and pockets. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying September Build a Journal 2025, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and share me with a crafty friend if they don't know who I am. Have a great rest of your day.